So for leave it, we're going to work that when we're putting their food down. We're going to tell them to leave it, place the food down. They need to be seated with giving us eye contact and waiting for that release where I say, okay. At that point, they can begin eating. Then I want to call them back off of it. So telling them leave it, they need to back away, sit down, get eye contact, and wait for permission again. So, Tango, leave it. Okay. Yes, good boy. Tango, leave it. Yes. Okay. Good boy.